base right there, off that building, that real shiny piece of metal.
Yeah.
That's a ceiling girder.
That is pretty
Oh,
normal.
and it tore it up, whipped
It
it
looks
over.
like a
Oh
piece
my
of spaghetti.
But see that, guys? But then look, I mean, you look up there and there's nothing happening.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's disturbing.
Guys, go back and tell your science teachers about what you saw, and maybe you guys can have like a weather discussion about how tornadoes work. I guess Miss Hall. Go back and tell Miss Hall about all this.
Log truck goes through. That was a beautiful old building right there that they tore down.
Oh my god.
It tore a lot of the police department up, and they look at all these.
Oh my god.
That looks like it used to be a beauty shop.
There was a big building right there on the other side of that fence rail. Big building.
That is horrible.
Why didn't that thing right there break?
Now, a lot of this, things look worse before they get better, because in order to fix it, they have to tear part of it off. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I was here not long after the storm hit, before the emergency services had fully implemented in the town. Right here in this road, there was 2 or 3 buildings worth of debris laying in this road.
You can't get
So what happens if you live down the road and need an ambulance? They couldn't get to you. They were driving 40 minutes from Moorhead ambulance service to get to these people.
Look at this bird. All this is destroyed in writing.
That's how tornadoes are, man. When I was in 10th grade, right where the old drive